Introduce highlight features and quick overview of BANNIO Wireless Meat Thermometer Bluetooth, 33 feet meat probe for grilling and smoking. Smart BBQ cooking thermometer probe. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are included. BANNIO Bluetooth meat thermometer and the accompanying app have made grilling and cooking meat a lot easier. The thermometer works quite well, charges for 5 minutes and works for about 4 hours. The app it communicates with via a Bluetooth connection, does a fine job of showing the current exact temp, the target temp for your doneness and ambient temperature inside the oven. Wireless thermometer with a range of up to 33 feet. BANNIO probe takes 5 minutes to charge and lasts for up to 4 hours. Using a Bluetooth-enabled connection, control your cooking through the free app, available for iOS or Android smartphones and tablets. Cooking meat, poultry, pork, and veal to specific temperatures has never been easier. Sleek charging case keeps your thermometer charged and protected. Degrees in Fahrenheit and Celsius. 3 kinds of app alerts for you choosing. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.